So, anyone find anything interesting?
You guys won't believe...
Me first. So, I went to the doctor's office.
This is a super exciting story!
Ow!
Don't interrupt.
I thought you said you weren't in on the whole following Mr. Peterson plan.
I wasn't in, and I didn't follow. I was waiting for the doctor. Someone leaving City Hall tripped and totally wiped out. Really messed up their leg, like their knee was going the wrong way.
Gross! Not interrupting!
A second later, same thing. Total wipeout.
Please tell me you got video. What? I love those videos of people slipping and falling and... I'll tell Mom! Ah!
I notice there's this little sparkle, like a flash of light, right where they both fell. So I took my phone out, zoomed in on that sparkle thing. Was about to see someone else wipe out, but they don't. Guess who it was?
No way.
What did he do?
Do you know how stories work? I start at the beginning, I get through the middle, and then I tell you what he did. God, grow up.
So what did he do?
He picked up the shiny thing, some kind of coin, looked around all sus, then...
Esposito!
City Hall. It's on Mr. Peterson's map, too.
I don't know how, but Mr. Peterson booby-trapped those steps. Whatever his plan, goes all the way to the top.
Don't!
You're my brother. I love you. I'd never... Spike.
Yeah. Well, get a load of
It
this.
was your idea. See anything spooky, Trinity?
Kinda. Ever since that surprise visit from Principal Abinante, my folks have been on high alert, watching me like hawks. They're worried I'm gonna do something dumb.
Like snooping in Mr. Peterson's business dumb?
What was he doing?
Collecting bodies for experiments?
I didn't see, because...
Got a report of a vandal out here. Save us both the trouble and come on out. Well, what do we have here? Oh my.
He killed a cop?
That's what murderers do.
We gotta call the police!
That's genius. The police dude is probably dead.
Let me finish.
Huh? Who's there? If you're still out there, go home now and don't come back. 'Cause if I get one more call from Mr. Conander, I'll find out who this belongs to. Understand?
He caught you?
You're epic dumb. She's here.
whatever he had in that bag was really heavy.
What do you think was in it?
A body?
A clanking body?
I don't know, but whatever it was worth killing a cop over, and too important to drop to catch me.
That's nothing. I
was almost caught too, Trinity. Just like you.
Is anyone gonna let me tell my story?
Now, the most important thing to understand is that I was not scared. Full-on super spy. Stealth. I was the knight. At noon.
Yeah. Who wants to bet this story ends in a puddle of pee?
Now, a lesser person, like Maritza, might have felt every glass eye was silently judging them.
Running or pointing? You seem like a bright fella, but you, my friend, are a sneak.
I found Mr. Conander at work. Happy. Like, too happy.
A filthy, dirty sneak.
I questioned him. Hey, did Mr. Peterson kill you? No? Okay, bye then.
Who's there? I am sick and tired of you little hoodlums stealing my critters. This is a place of business, not your personal dead pet shop. Show yourself, rapscallion!
I know I said I wasn't afraid, but then something happened.
What? No!
Mr. Peterson, he just walked out, like nothing happened. That's when I finally tasted fear.
And made a little pee-pee?
Finally! My story takes place on our home turf.
You think he's onto us?
Guys, seriously, pay attention. Get this. I followed Mr. Peterson right into our school. Found him messing with some door. I think he was picking the lock. Whatever he was doing, it worked. Huh? Huh? Anyone else know about the tunnels underneath the school? I sure didn't, but Mr. Peterson did. No idea what Mr. Creepy was up to. It didn't matter, because I wasn't alone down there. And I don't mean Mr. Peterson.
Watch it.
Delroy, what are you doing down here?
Me? What about you, weirdo?
None of your business.
Yeah? Wonder if it's Principal Abernathy's business.
You wouldn't.
Try it.
Rat! I wasn't gonna let that jerk beat me. Last thing I needed was another suspension. But...
They said it was the boiler.
yeah. I mean, was Principal Abenante dead? Then I remember. Mr. Peterson must have found the boiler room underneath us. He caused that explosion. So what is Mr. Peterson up to when he's not in his house? He terrorizes the town, hurts people, and on top of that, tried to blow me up. Whatever he's doing,
He doesn't care who gets in his way, and he has to be stopped.
now we're getting somewhere.
The line's back here, pal.